Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all my cream cheese shrimp pasta. If you thought that baked feta pasta was delicious, this blows that away 100%. So let me jump straight into this amazing recipe and show you how easy this one is to make. And it's also perfect for your Valentine's. So to make this, I have eggplant and baby tomatoes in my pot. I'm adding in this Philadelphia jalapeno cream cheese. The cream cheese is not as tart as feta, so if you don't like tart cheese, this is so perfect. Next, I'm going to add on some sliced garlic. You can leave it whole if you wanted to, I just prefer slicing it. Next, I'm adding in some jumbo shrimp. Now these shrimp were really huge. If you're using a smaller shrimp, I suggest roasting off your vegetables halfway and then adding the shrimp and finish cooking it. You don't want to cook your shrimp and it gets rubbery. So after you finish put on your shrimp there, you're going to add some fish seasoning. Now this is my favorite fish seasoning. You can use whatever you have on hand, but if you live in Trinidad, you would find this easily in any major supermarkets. So add on some salt. Although the fish seasoning would contain salt, I still like to add a little extra salt. Now goes on some extra virgin olive oil. If you wanted to, you can use an avocado oil, coconut oil, lemon oil, whatever you have on hand. And this bakes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When it's finished, you want to take a fork or potato masher, mash down on the tomatoes and the eggplant just to make sure it's nice and smooth, but don't mash down on this shrimp. You want to make sure you maintain those whole pieces of shrimp. So once you finish doing that, next would be to add your pasta. Now my pasta is boiled to al dente, which means it still has a little bite to it. You don't want your pasta to be too soft, unless that's how you like it. And you can also add in some pasta water at this point. And I'm adding on some freshly chopped basil, or you can use flat leaf Italian parsley. Mix and then it's ready to be served. This was so creamy, so delicious, and not as tart as the feta recipe. I promise you guys are going to love this and feel free to switch up the shrimp for chicken or just totally omit it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.